Today we will unbox and review the National Geographic Genuine Leather Wallet. The wallet is an official National Geographic product. The color of this wallet is tan or light brown. The wallet is made out of goat leather. This wallet has RFID protection. The wallet height is 3.5 inches. The country of origin is Hong Kong. The stitching quality for the price is actually very good. Color is tan on the outside and black on the inside. The inside leather fabric is very smooth and soft compared to the outside fabric. You get the National Geographic branding both on the outside as well as inside. So let's quickly do a walk around of this product, and if you want to buy it, I will leave a link in the description box for you.